Hi guys. So first of all, what the heck is up? It's been quite some time since I did a video. I got a new camera. If you couldn't tell, I love it. Thanks, honey. So today, I know that the new Venom movie is coming out. I don't know when exactly, but I know it's coming out in the next month or so. So today we are going to attempt to look like Venom. If you're interested in Marvel movies, or if you like Marvel movies, which, is this part of a Marvel movie? I think Venom's Marvel, right? I think so. But Tom Hardy is my favorite, so obviously I'm going to see it. We just went and saw the new Infinity War movie. Great. Total roller coaster of emotions, but great nonetheless. So, today, Venom. If you want to see it, if you're interested, if you've been missing me because I've been MIA, then continue watching this. I'm probably going to throw on some music and get to going. All right. So far we've just got the black, the eyes. Oh my God, it's itchy. We're gonna do the nose. We're gonna do the mouth. So let me take off my necklace, but this should be fun. Hopefully. I know it looks a little crazy right now. God, and my freaking back hurts so bad from sitting in this seat. It's not comfortable. Oh my God. Oh my God, and I have 13% on my freaking camera. Oh my God. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Fun fact though, I was in Georgia when they were filming Venom, and I didn't really get to see anything, but I know I went on a Marvel superhero tour, and I got to see where all of the Avengers were filmed. Walking Dead was filmed, which is not part of the superhero tour, but it was part of where they filmed Civil War. So it's pretty cool. They put signs out, like discrete signs with like different sayings on them. That means which movie was filming. So like Infinity War, they were filming when I was down there as well. And that they had like secret signs. But anyway, didn't get to see anything cool. Didn't get to see Captain America running through the streets of Georgia. But at the end of Infinity War though, I did see the street that I walked down where the Westin was. That was pretty cool. I just got a message that was really nice from somebody. So I can't wait to read that. But let's keep going. Camera died. So we are going to try this again. Continue on painting. We're gonna do a second coat of this white though. Now time for the mouth. All right, all right, all right. Oh, let's see here. Alright, so as you guys can see, I did a little bit more. I just finished up the teeth on the top and the bottom. We're gonna finish up the rest now though. Gotta finish the tongue and do the rest of the black, so. My back is killing me. How'd I do? Look like Venom? I don't know. I think I kind of did okay. Let's see what it looks like with this light off. Probably looks better with the light on. Honey? So guys, this is the finished look. This is what I came up with. Well, actually, I looked at somebody else's and took, you know, their idea and then went from there. But this is my take on Venom. How'd I do? Give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Drop a comment down below if you liked it. If you didn't like it, let me know what you thought. If you want to see more videos like this, also comment down below. Make sure you hit that subscribe button before you leave. And I will see you in my next video.